guys. You're a little bit late. Come on. I picked it up. It's not over there. Oh my gosh, Lola is so cute. Hey, Binks. Lola, you're very cute. You're a very cute puppy. Hey, you. Bella. All right, let's go inside and see who's inside. Who's being lazy in here? It's nice and warm in here, huh? Is that the third turn there, Abby? Oh. Come on, Sadie. Come outside. Come on, Zara. Come on, guys. Come on. It's snowing. It's snowing. Bella, you like the snow, Bella? I gotta go get it. Go get it. Come on, guys. Oh, Zara came out. And Maya. You're such a pretty lady. Aw, I love you too.